Today I want to tell you a story about the tortoise. How many of you know what the tortoise looks like? What does the tortoise look like? Okay. So what is the difference between the tortoise and a turtle? A turtle. What's the difference between the tortoise and the turtle? Yes, the turtle can be very big too, but the tortoise lives on land mostly. The turtle lives in water. That's the basic difference, right? So we're talking about the tortoise.
I already know them.
You know them? You know that too? Great. Yeah. The tortoise. Do we all know what the tortoise looks like? Or what the tortoise is? It hides inside the shell, but many years ago, listen up. Many years ago, the tortoise used to walk on both feet, and then many years ago, the tortoise and the other animals all lived together with human. They lived with human beings too, right? So but the tortoise was a very, very crafty animal. You know what I mean by saying that the animal is crafty? Somebody is crafty? Plays a lot of tricks. Plays a lot of tricks, right? The tortoise used to play a lot of tricks. So, once upon a time, many years ago, many centuries ago, the head of the animal kingdom, right? And that was the lion. You know why the lion is the head of the animal kingdom? Why? The lion is brave and strong, right? The lion is brave and strong. Gorilla is very strong too, but the lion is stronger than all the animals, right? So the lion wanted the animals to come and work for him, because then they would like have a farm, a huge farm, and they would want the animals to come and work, and at the end of the day they would cook a lot of food for them, right? So they will all eat and drink and be merry. And then the lion, merry, yeah, they be merry, they be happy. They get happy, right? So the lion invited the animals to come and work, and the lion did not invite the tortoise. Can anybody guess why? Why? Yes, the tortoise always plays tricks, and he knew that if the tortoise was there, the tortoise might just make others not to work, right? He would start his pranks, but his pranks, a lot of pranks. The tortoise decided that because he was not invited, that others were not going to respond to that call. The tortoise said, because the lion did not invite me, I will not let others go and work for the lion. And he was wondering how he would do it, because the the lion will just pick up the tortoise and throw him away, you know. If it decides, yeah, because the tortoise is so little and the lion will, you know, the tortoise is wrong, right? So what the tortoise did was that he went and got some musicians that play good music, right? Very, very, very nice music. And then he went by the roadside where all the animals pass to go to the farm, right? And he hid himself in the bush and he asked all the musicians to stay in the bush so nobody would see them. Yeah. And then, the tortoise shot some musicians. And then they hid themselves in the bush on the way where the animals will pass to go to the farm. So they started playing music. They started playing music. They were playing, yeah, they were playing with instruments. You saw some traditional instruments, the drums, the wooden drums, the gongs. So they started. So the tortoise got them to start singing. And you know the song they were singing. The animals found that song very, very interesting. The song may not sound so wonderful to you, but to the animals it was so wonderful. They haven't heard anything like that. They were singing.
Olanu naga.
People will say, Odum Mbeli Nkwa. And they say that Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Hey, Odum Mbeli Nkwa.
Olanu naga.
Odum Mbeli Nkwa.
Eh. Olanu naga. Eh. Olukwagi. Eh. Ijanude bolu. Eh. Olorodi. Eh. Idanubadegu. Eh. Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Mbeli Nkwa. Eh. Odum Mbeli Nkwa.
They were playing the drums, right? So the song was saying which animal is dancing. You know, and then the animal will watch. This music is going, so the animal will say his name. Like there's an animal called Enyi, which is the deer. The deer will say it is the deer that is passing. So okay, deer, if you want, yeah, they used to talk there. You know, it was many years ago. They used to talk. Right? It's a story that teaches a lot of morals. Okay. So he said, the deer, I'm the deer. He said, okay, deer, if you want to go to work, go. They never going to work. They had a hole. You know what kind of a hole they used to till the ground? They call it hole. H-O-E. That's what they spell it. And they had a machete too. They had things that they used to work to till the ground, you know, and plant the crop for the lion. So the deer said, deer, if you want to walk, go to walk. But if you don't want to walk, come and dance, right? And you know, animals like dancing. Have you ever noticed that animals like dancing? Even dogs. If you play good music, dogs, they respond to it. They do, yes. They'll keep quiet, they'll like it. So the deer started jumping. You know how deer is. And then the other started singing again. Then later another animal that came was the elephant. So he said the elephant is called Enyi. Can somebody say Enyi? Enyi. So he said, Olanu naga Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Olanu naga Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Odum Mbeli. Enyi naga Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Odum Mbeli. Enyi olukwagi Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Odum Mbeli. Ijanugabolu Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Odum Mbeli. Oluwagurogi Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Odum Mbeli. Ijanugabebu Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Odum Mbeli Nkwa. Odum Mbeli Nkwa. The elephant started jumping. Can somebody dance like the elephant for me? Who can demonstrate how elephant will probably be possibly dancing? Yeah, go ahead, sure.
One more.
Go ahead.
One more.
Okay, show me how the elephant was dancing. Show me, yeah, can. Yeah, the elephant did not dance that well, though, because it's big. He was dancing, he was swaying like busy, you know. So that was very, very good. Very good. Okay, sit down. So we started dancing to Mbeli, and then another animal that came was can somebody give me the name of another animal? Gorilla. The gorilla came. The gorilla, right? And the gorilla is called Ozo Dimba. Ozo. They call him Dimba because he wrestles a lot, right? So this Ozo. His name is Ozo. So the musicians ask, Olano Naga, and they also said, Ozo Naga, all the Wagi, so the animals started dancing the Mbeli, you know. Nkwa in Igbo means music with drums. So all the animals were coming, even the snake came. Even the snake came and they said, do you know what they call snake in Igbo? No. It is a snake, yes. What's the general name for snake? Agwo. Agwo, can you say it? Agwo. Agwo. So he said, Olano Naga Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Olano Naga Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Agwo Naga Udum Mbeli Nkwa, all the Wagi Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Ijenu Lobolu Udum Mbeli Nkwa, all the Agorogi Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Ijenu Babebu Udum Mbeli Nkwa, and the snake just left everything and started dancing.
How many times do you have?
Each time the animal came, then we can't call all the animals, so we'll be singing till tomorrow, right? So the snake would dance. You know how the snake would dance? Can somebody show me? Okay. So the snake danced, all of them were all dancing. And then the lion waited for the animals to come. They did not. No, they don't like the song because they were playing the drums. Well, you know, we don't have the drums here. If you hear the drums, you will like the song too. You will dance. So the lion decided to go look for the animal. Oh, yeah, he wasn't finished. So the lion went to look for the other animals, and then on the way, the lion heard the music, and then they called them. Olano Naga. What do we call lion in Igbo? Lion. Can somebody tell me the name of the lion in Igbo? Lion. Lion is called Odum. Odum. Some people think it's Agwo, but it's not Agwo. Agwo is a leopard. Lion is Odum. So Agwo is the leopard. So the lion came and they said, Olano Naga Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Olano Naga Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Odum Naga Udum Mbeli Nkwa, all the Wagi Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Ejanu Jebolu Udum Mbeli Nkwa, all the Agorogi Udum Mbeli Nkwa, Ejanu Babebu Udum Mbeli Nkwa. Can you believe that the lion that's supposed to be joined them and started dancing, you know? So they danced until they were all tired. And then the lion was like, what's going on here? And then they all sat down and they decided to do what happened, right? They started processing the situation and they saw, oh, it was the tortoise that did this. So the lion took them home and gave them food anyway, and then the next day he called all the animals together, including the tortoise, to come and work for him. So that was the story. Did it end well or not? What did you learn from the story? Any lesson from the story? He said never say no to any good request, right? Yes, Lion said the tortoise couldn't come So try to be fair to everybody. Please don't be partial, right? Don't be partial, be fair to everybody. Any other lesson from the story? Any other lesson? Did you get a lesson that you're supposed to do what you...
You have something.
Okay, you have something to say, right? Okay. Yeah, you have to be focused. He said, what's your name? He said you have to, Chidubem said you need to be focused, right? You need to be focused on what you're doing, or you will just lose time doing other things. You'll be diverted, you'll be distracted, right? The animals were not focused. They forgot they were going to work. They all started dancing, including the farmer himself. So, children, that is our story for today. Story. Akuko, Akuko.
Igbo Cultural Foundation is ready.
I don't know the step. Okay. Well.
We need it louder. Because never Igbo Cultural Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, Igbo Cultural Foundation. All right.